The cosmos is all that is, ever was, and ever will be. Its vastness surpasses our wildest imagination, stretching into the infinite reaches of time and space. Within this grand tapestry of existence lie galaxies upon galaxies, swarming with stars, planets, and wonders beyond our current understanding. To gaze upon the night sky is to peer into an ancient story, a cosmic saga that began billions of years ago, long before the Earth took its first breath. Every star that dots the sky is a beacon, a brilliant point of light traveling across unimaginable distances to reach us. They are the relics of a time before time, their light originating from places far beyond the grasp of human senses. Yet, there they are, shimmering like diamonds scattered across the velvet of night. The very atoms that comprise our bodies, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, were forged in the fiery hearts of stars. We are made of star stuff, intimately connected to the universe. In the vast voids between these stars, swirling clouds of gas and dust birth new suns and planets, seeding the cosmos with the potential for life and consciousness. Nebulae stretch their ethereal tendrils across light years, their colors revealing secrets about the elemental forces at play. Somewhere within these stellar nurseries, the chemical precursors to life may be stirring, repeating a dance that led to life on our own pale blue dot. Galaxies spin gracefully in the darkness, their arms cradling billions of stars. Each one is an island universe, separated by oceans of intergalactic space. And beyond them? More galaxies, more mysteries, a horizon that stretches to the limits of our understanding. The cosmos is not just vast, it is rich, intricate, and infinitely beautiful. In the face of such grandeur, we find humility. Our world, our problems, our fears all seem small against the backdrop of a universe that has existed for billions of years and will continue to exist long after we are gone. Yet, it is precisely this vastness that makes our existence so precious. We are the universe becoming aware of itself, a fleeting consciousness in the grand sea of eternity. In exploring the cosmos, we embark on a journey not just to the stars, but to our own beginnings. We are voyagers, seeking our place in the endless expanse. And as we venture forward, we carry with us the profound truth that to understand the cosmos is, in a way, to understand ourselves. For in the dust of distant stars, we find the echoes of our origins, the whispers of what we are and what we might become. The cosmos is a symphony of existence, a grand orchestration that plays across the immeasurable depths of space and time. When we look out into the universe, we are not just seeing stars, we are glimpsing the very essence of creation. The light that reaches us from distant galaxies has traveled for eons, crossing the chasms of intergalactic space to grace our eyes. It is as though the universe, in its quiet majesty, is offering us a message, a reminder of our place within its vast embrace. Within the cosmic ocean, there are places where stars cluster together in vast swarms, bound by gravity in a delicate dance. The spiral arms of galaxies whirl like the brushstrokes of a celestial artist, painting the dark canvas of space with their brilliance. These are not mere random collections of matter, they are the crucibles where the elements of life are forged. In the nuclear furnaces of stars, hydrogen fuses into helium, and in the throes of their deaths, stars give birth to carbon, oxygen, and iron, the building blocks of planets, of oceans, of life. Yet, beyond the grandiosity of stars and galaxies, there is a subtler, quieter beauty. Nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust, float like cosmic daydreams, their colors and shapes shaped by forces both gentle and violent. They are the nurseries of stars, the wombs where new suns ignite. Somewhere in these clouds, the spark of life might be kindling again, as it did on our world so long ago. To think that in the cradle of a distant nebula, molecules could be assembling into the first whispers of life, echoes the miracle of our own genesis. But the cosmos is not solely a story of creation, it is also a story of change, of endless cycles. Stars live out their lives, shining brilliantly for millions or even billions of years, only to end in spectacular finales, explosions that scatter their enriched guts into space. These remnants will, in turn, form new stars, new planets, and perhaps new life. This cosmic recycling is the heartbeat of the universe, a reminder that from death comes new beginnings, that the line between creation and destruction is a continuum rather than a boundary. In our search for understanding, we have sent our machines to the distant planets, we have captured the light of ancient galaxies, and we have listened for the faint murmur of signals from across the void. Yet, for all our discoveries, there remains an ocean of mystery. What lies at the heart of a black hole? What is the true nature of dark matter, of dark energy? These unknowns are not just puzzles to be solved, they are invitations. They call us to explore, to wonder, to stretch the limits of our imagination. And here, on this tiny blue speck we call Earth, we have the unique privilege of being part of this cosmic story. We are the universe's way of gazing upon itself, a brief flash of consciousness in the long night of time. It is this realization that brings both humility and a sense of profound responsibility. For if we, the children of the stars, do not cherish and protect our home, then the universe loses a part of itself. So, we continue to explore, to seek, to question. In every galaxy we photograph, every star we study, every signal we listen for, we are searching for a deeper understanding of the cosmos and of ourselves. In the end, the universe is not merely a collection of stars and planets, it is the stage upon which the grand drama of existence unfolds. It is the birthplace of wonder, the source of awe, the ultimate reminder that in its boundless beauty and mystery, there is always more to learn, more to dream, and more to be. We are voyagers, riding a fragile ship on the sea of infinity. And as we drift through the vast cosmic expanse, we carry with us a spark of curiosity, a sense of wonder, and the unshakable belief that the universe, in all its glory, has stories yet to tell. There is a kind of sacredness in the stars, an unspoken elegance in the cosmic order. The universe is not just vast, it is exquisitely complex, a masterwork woven from the simplest of ingredients, atoms forged in stellar furnaces, shaped by the laws of physics into galaxies, stars, and worlds. In this complexity, we find ourselves drawn to explore, to understand, to piece together the grand puzzle of existence. Consider the silent journeys of photons, particles of light that travel across unimaginable distances, carrying with them the stories of their origins. Some come from stars that lived and died long before our solar system was even a cloud of gas and dust. Others are born from the explosive outbursts of supernovae, those cosmic fireworks that scatter the seeds of future stars. When we look up at the night sky, we are not merely seeing stars, we are witnessing the past, glimpsing the universe as it was across eons. In every glimmering point of light, there lies a history that stretches back billions of years. Yet, for all its grandeur, the cosmos is made up of the simplest of things. Hydrogen, the most common element, the building block of stars and galaxies, is also the foundation of life itself. In the fusion of hydrogen atoms within a star's core, we find the very energy that allows life to exist on Earth. From the smallest particle to the grandest galaxy, there is a unity, a common thread that binds everything together. And within this grand cosmic order, life emerges. It is as if, in the cold darkness of space, the universe felt the need to know itself, to reflect upon its own beauty. Life is the universe becoming conscious, experiencing itself through countless forms and senses. On Earth, this spark of life has evolved into beings capable of wonder, beings who can ponder their origins, gaze up at the stars, and dream of what lies beyond. But the story does not end with us. As we venture into the unknown, sending our robotic emissaries to other worlds, searching for signs of life beyond Earth, we are participating in a cosmic conversation. We are but one small part of a much larger narrative, a narrative that may include other forms of life, other civilizations, each with its own journey through the stars. Imagine for a moment the possibility that somewhere, orbiting a distant sun, there exists a world teeming with life, a world where beings not unlike ourselves look up at their sky and wonder. What would they see? How might they interpret the universe? The thought of other minds contemplating the cosmos is both humbling and exhilarating. It reminds us that our quest for knowledge is not solitary, it is a shared endeavor, spanning the stars. In the face of this vastness, it is easy to feel insignificant. We are, after all, a small species on a small planet, orbiting a small star, in one galaxy among billions. And yet, it is precisely this smallness that gives our existence its poignancy. Against the backdrop of the infinite, the briefness of our lives becomes all the more precious. For in our short time, we have the chance to explore, to love, to understand, and to marvel at the beauty that surrounds us. The cosmos is not indifferent to us, for we are a part of it. The atoms that compose our bodies were once part of stars that lived and died, stars that scattered their elements into space, which in turn formed new stars, new planets, and eventually, us. In this sense, the universe is within us. We carry the legacy of the cosmos in every cell, every breath, every heartbeat. And so, as we journey into the future, let us carry with us the spirit of curiosity and reverence. Let us continue to seek out the unknown, to unravel the mysteries of dark matter, black holes, and the nature of time. Let us reach for the stars, not out of conquest, but out of the sheer joy of discovery. For in exploring the cosmos, we are, in truth, exploring the depths of our own souls. The universe calls to us. It beckons with its infinite beauty and endless possibilities. And as long as there are stars to light the night, as long as there are questions to ask, the voyage of discovery will continue. We are, in every sense, the voyagers of the cosmos, riding the waves of time and space, ever eager to learn what lies beyond the horizon of our understanding. In the grand scheme of the universe, we are but a brief flicker of light. Yet, in that flicker lies the power to dream, to explore, and to understand. And that, perhaps, is the greatest gift the cosmos has bestowed upon us. The cosmos is a canvas of possibilities, vast and ancient, where every speck of light, every wisp of gas, and every grain of dust plays a part in an epic story. It is a story written across eons, with each chapter unfolding in the dark, silent depths of space. Here, in this endless expanse, lie mysteries that challenge our understanding and beauty that transcends the limits of imagination. Consider the nature of galaxies, those grand islands of stars adrift in the cosmic ocean. Each galaxy, a city of 1 trillion suns, is bound together by gravity, swirling in graceful spirals or coalescing into dense, elliptical forms. Within them, stars are born and die in cycles that span billions of years. Yet, these stellar realms are but tiny structures within the grander scale of the universe. Between them stretch vast voids, empty yet teeming with the potential of what might be. In these spaces, dark matter lurks unseen, an invisible scaffold shaping the cosmos, holding galaxies together in a delicate balance. The stars within these galaxies are ancient storytellers, beacons of time. Some are newborns, still wrapped in the swirling embrace of their nebular cradles. Others are in the twilight of their lives, soon to erupt in cataclysmic supernovae, scattering their enriched elements into the cosmic soup. And among them, here and there, are planets, worlds orbiting their suns, each one a potential harbor for the seeds of life. Some of these worlds are barren, frozen under perpetual night, others might be teeming with strange and wondrous forms of life, each shaped by the unique environment of its home star system. Yet, for all the diversity and expanse, there is a profound unity. The laws of physics that govern the orbits of planets and the fusion within stars are the same everywhere. The universe, despite its unimaginable vastness, operates under a single set of rules, a cosmic code written in the fabric of space and time. It is through our exploration of these laws that we have come to understand our own place in the cosmos. For we, too, are bound by these universal laws. We are stardust, organized in complex patterns, capable of reflection and inquiry. It is this capacity for wonder, this drive to explore, that elevates us from mere observers to participants in the grand drama of the cosmos. Through our telescopes and spacecraft, we reach out into the void, seeking to uncover the secrets of black holes, the origins of galaxies, and the whispers of light from the first stars. And as we probe deeper, we are reminded of the simple, profound truth that in exploring the universe, we are exploring ourselves. What might we find as we journey further? Perhaps life, in forms both familiar and strange, awaits us in the oceans of Europa or the valleys of Mars. Perhaps civilizations, ancient and wise, circle distant stars, contemplating their own place in the cosmos. If such beings exist, we share with them the bond of cosmic heritage, for they, too, would be the children of stars. This idea that we are not alone, that life may permeate the universe in countless forms, is both humbling and exhilarating. It speaks to the diversity of existence and the possibility that the universe is not a cold, empty void, but rather a living, dynamic expanse filled with experiences and stories beyond our imagining. And yet, we must also be mindful of our role. We are stewards of our world, a fragile oasis in the vast, indifferent expanse of space. Earth is our cradle, the birthplace of life as we know it, and it is irreplaceable. As we turn our gaze outward, we must not forget to nurture and protect this planet, for it is the only one we know that harbors life. It is here, on this small, pale blue that we have learned to love, to dream, to wonder. The cosmos, in all its grandeur, calls us to explore, to seek answers to questions we have not yet thought to ask. But it also reminds us of our shared fate and the responsibility that comes with knowledge. For if we are indeed the universe's way of contemplating itself, then we bear the duty to carry this contemplation forward, to preserve life, to seek wisdom, and to reach for the stars, not out of conquest, but out of a profound respect for the mystery of existence. So, we continue our journey, voyagers through the sea of space, with the stars as our guides and curiosity as our compass. The universe is vast, and we are small, but in our smallness, there is the capacity for greatness. We carry within us the light of the stars, a spark of the cosmos' own fire. In this light, we glimpse the truth, that to explore the universe is to embark on a quest to understand the infinite possibilities of being. For the cosmos is not just out there, in the cold, distant stars. It is within us, in every atom of our bodies, in every thought that crosses our minds. And as we look up at the night sky, we are reminded that we are a part of this grand tapestry, a fleeting, yet magnificent expression of the universe's endless potential. In the end, the cosmos is not a place to be conquered, but a realm to be cherished, explored, and understood. It is a journey that has no end, a voyage that begins anew with each generation, as long as there are stars to guide us and dreams to follow. The cosmos is an intricate dance of light and darkness, of creation and decay. It is a symphony in which every atom, every star, every galaxy plays a part. As we venture further into this cosmic ocean, we come to realize that the universe is far more than a mere collection of stars and planets. It is an expression of fundamental truths, a canvas where the laws of nature paint an ever-changing masterpiece. The great beauty of the cosmos lies in its diversity. Within the vastness, there are stars that burn with fierce intensity, radiating heat and light across their solar systems. There are stars that are cool and dim, providing a gentle warmth to the planets that circle them. Some stars are on the verge of collapse, their cores fusing elements until they can no longer withstand their own gravity, culminating in a dramatic explosion that seeds the universe with the materials of life. In these cosmic forges, the elements essential to life, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, are born. These elements, scattered across the galaxy by stellar winds and supernovae, eventually find their way into new stars, new planets, and, ultimately, into beings like us. It is a profound thought to consider that the very iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, the oxygen we breathe, all were formed in the heart of an ancient star. We are, in the most literal sense, stardust. Through countless generations of stars living, dying, and spreading their ashes across the universe, the building blocks of life were forged. And in the crucible of Earth, those elements assembled into complex molecules, into cells, into organisms that think, feel, and wonder. Our journey through the cosmos is not just a physical one, it is also a voyage of the mind. For as we study the universe, we come face to face with the deepest mysteries of existence. What is the nature of time? What is the fate of the universe? Are we alone in this vast expanse, or is life, in its myriad forms, scattered among the stars? These are questions that touch the very core of our being, for they challenge us to look beyond our daily concerns and to glimpse the infinite. And so, we build telescopes, launch spacecraft, and peer into the depths of space. Each new discovery, whether it be a distant exoplanet, the remnants of a supernova, or the faint glow of the cosmic microwave background, adds a piece to the grand puzzle of the universe. And with each piece, we gain a greater understanding of not just where we are, but of what we are. For in the end, the cosmos is not just something outside of us, it is a part of us, an expression of the same laws and processes that govern our own lives. Consider the galaxies, each one containing billions of stars. These magnificent structures are bound together by gravity, swirling in graceful spirals or clustered in dense groups. And yet, for all their mass and energy, they are but a tiny fraction of the universe. Most of the cosmos is made up of dark matter and dark energy, mysterious substances that shape the fate of galaxies and drive the universe's expansion. We do not yet understand what these dark components are, but their existence reminds us that the cosmos is filled with secrets still waiting to be uncovered. And what of life beyond Earth? In the depths of space, there are countless worlds, each with its own environment, its own history. Some may be barren, lifeless deserts. Others may be lush with vegetation or covered in vast oceans. Could there be other beings, perhaps looking up at their skies, pondering the same questions we ask? To know that we are not alone would transform our understanding of life and our place in the universe. It would link us to a cosmic community, a tapestry of life woven across the stars. But even if we are alone, even if life on Earth is the only spark in this vast darkness, it only heightens the significance of our existence. For in our solitude, we become the eyes, the ears, and the voice of the universe. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself, to contemplate its own beauty, and to seek out its own mysteries. In this quest, there is both a profound joy and a solemn responsibility. We are caretakers of our tiny corner of the universe. The Earth is our cradle, a place of fragile beauty in the vastness of space. As we explore the cosmos, we must also cherish our own world, for it is here that life has flourished in all its diversity. It is here that we have learned to dream of the stars. The universe does not owe us meaning, it does not dictate our purpose. But it does offer us a canvas upon which to paint our own story. And in that story, we find both the grandeur of the cosmos and the intimate beauty of our fleeting moments. In the vastness, we find the humility to cherish life, the curiosity to seek knowledge, and the courage to imagine what could be. So, we continue to look up at the stars, to send our machines into the darkness, to listen for the faintest whispers from distant worlds. Each step forward is a step into the unknown, a reminder that the universe is a place of endless possibilities. The cosmos is not a static, unchanging realm, it is alive with activity, from the fusion in the hearts of stars to the quiet, drifting orbits of planets. In exploring the cosmos, we embark on a journey that is as much about ourselves as it is about the universe. For in the end, the quest for understanding is a quest for meaning. And as long as there are stars to light the sky, as long as we have the curiosity to ask questions, the voyage of discovery will continue. We are a part of the universe, and in seeking to understand it, we come to understand a bit more about our own place within this grand, cosmic tapestry. This is our legacy, to be explorers, to be thinkers, to be the universe reaching out to know itself. And that, in all its simplicity and profundity, is the greatest story we could ever hope to be a part of. The cosmos is a stage on which the greatest dramas unfold, the dramas of creation and destruction, of quiet stillness and cataclysmic upheaval. It is an ancient theater, its actors the stars, planets, and galaxies, each playing their part in a story that spans billions of years. As we peer into the depths of space, we are not merely observing distant objects, we are witnessing scenes from a cosmic tale written across the ages. In the vast voids between galaxies, where darkness seems eternal, there exists a silent, invisible presence. It is dark matter, a substance that neither emits nor absorbs light, yet whose gravitational influence shapes the very structure of the universe. We do not yet fully understand what dark matter is, but we know that without it, galaxies would not hold together. It is the unseen scaffolding upon which the cosmos is built, a mystery that challenges our understanding of nature. To comprehend dark matter is to glimpse the universe's hidden architecture, to understand the forces that govern not just the grand spirals of galaxies, but the dance of every star within them. And then there is dark energy, the force driving the accelerating expansion of the universe. Like a subtle wind blowing through the fabric of spacetime, dark energy is the dominant force shaping the universe's destiny. It whispers of a future where galaxies drift further apart, where the night sky grows ever darker as the stars recede into the distance. It reminds us that the cosmos is not static, it is dynamic, changing, evolving. The universe as we see it today is just one chapter in a story that continues to unfold. Yet, for all its vastness and complexity, the cosmos is not indifferent to our existence. We are a part of this grand design, woven from the very materials born in the hearts of stars. Every breath we take, every thought we think, every heartbeat, is a testament to the universe's ability to create life out of the raw elements scattered across its vast expanse. We are the offspring of ancient suns, our atoms forged in supernovae that burned bright long before our world ever formed. We are stardust brought to life, a way for the universe to know itself. This understanding brings with it a profound sense of connection. When we look up at the night sky, we are not just seeing stars, we are looking into our own origins. We are gazing at the raw ingredients of life itself, scattered across the cosmos like seeds waiting to bloom. The light that reaches us from distant galaxies has traveled across millions, even billions of years. To observe that light is to look back in time, to witness the birth of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the early moments of the universe's existence. Imagine, then, the other worlds that must exist out there, planets orbiting their suns in the habitable zones where water can flow, where life might find a foothold. These worlds, circling stars much like our own, are more than mere rocks and gases, they are the potential cradles of consciousness. Somewhere, on a planet yet unknown, life may be stirring, as it once did on Earth. Perhaps it is microbial, living quietly in the shadow of vast alien mountains, or perhaps it has evolved into complex beings that gaze up at their sky and wonder about the stars, just as we do. The thought that we may not be alone in the universe is as thrilling as it is humbling. It suggests that life, like the stars, might be a common feature of the cosmos. If we were to find evidence of life elsewhere, whether it be a microbe on Mars or signals from a distant civilization, it would forever change our understanding of our place in the universe. It would transform the cosmos from a vast, silent void into a vibrant, interconnected tapestry of life. It would mean that the universe is not just a backdrop for our existence, it is a living, breathing reality, filled with countless forms of life, each experiencing its own journey through the stars. But even if we find that life on Earth is unique, it only makes our existence more precious. To be alone in the cosmos would mean that we are the rarest of phenomena, the universe's only known eyes, ears, and mind. It would make our duty to protect life, to cherish the diversity of species on our planet, even more imperative. For if we are the sole bearers of consciousness, then the universe's ability to know itself rests entirely upon us. The thoughts and dreams of humanity become the cosmos's reflections, fleeting but infinitely meaningful. And so, we venture forward, exploring not just to conquer the unknown, but to learn, to understand, to be part of a story much greater than ourselves. We send probes to the outer planets, we build telescopes that can peer into the earliest moments of the universe, and we listen for the faint signals from distant stars, hoping to find echoes of other voices in the darkness. This is what it means to be human, to seek, to explore, to ask the questions that lead us to the edge of the known and beyond. In our search for understanding, we do more than just gather knowledge, we forge a connection with the cosmos. We realize that in the grand scheme of the universe, we are both insignificant and immeasurably significant. For we are the universe's attempt to understand itself, to reflect upon its own existence. The cosmos is vast, its mysteries deep and endless. And yet, in our small corner of a galaxy, on a pale blue dot, we have the capacity to contemplate the stars, to question the fabric of reality, and to dream of what might be. The universe is within us, and as we gaze outward into the depths of space, we are also looking inward, seeking the answers to the most profound questions of existence. In the grand expanse of the cosmos, we are a momentary flicker, a brief flash of light in the darkness. But in that fleeting instant, we are magnificent. We are explorers, poets, scientists, thinkers. We are the children of the stars, voyagers on a journey that began long before we existed and will continue long after we are gone. And in this journey, we find not just the cosmos, but ourselves. For in the end, the universe is not merely a collection of stars and galaxies, it is a story, a journey, an endless exploration. And we, the bearers of consciousness, are the storytellers, the dreamers, the seekers of the infinite. This is the legacy we inherit, to look up, to wonder, and to know that as long as we carry the light of curiosity within us, the journey through the cosmos will never end. The cosmos is not merely a place, a collection of stars and planets scattered through the void. It is a process, a journey of endless transformation. Everything we observe, from the tiniest atom to the grandest galaxy, is in a state of becoming, shaped by the forces of nature over vast stretches of time. In the glow of stars, in the orbit of planets, and in the drift of galaxies, we witness the unfolding of an epic, universal story that began billions of years ago and continues to evolve before our very eyes. It is astonishing to think that this universe, in all its complexity and beauty, began from something so simple, a burst of energy, a hot, dense point of almost unimaginable smallness that expanded outward in the Big Bang. From that singular event, all of space, time, and matter emerged. And in the billions of years since, the universe has transformed, cooling and coalescing into stars, galaxies, and, eventually, the building blocks of life. We are, each of us, products of that ancient explosion, connected to the earliest moments of the cosmos. The atoms that make up our bodies, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iron, were forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died long before the Earth was born. Those stars, in their fiery deaths, scattered their enriched elements into space, sowing the seeds for new stars, planets, and, ultimately, life. In a very real sense, we are made of ancient stardust. When we look up at the night sky, we are gazing at the remnants of our own origins. The light from those distant stars carries within it the story of our own cosmic heritage. And yet, the universe is not just a story of origins. It is also a story of possibility. Across the vast expanse of space, there are countless worlds, each with its own unique conditions in history. Some are gas giants, swirling with storms in their thick atmospheres. Others are rocky, with mountains, valleys, and perhaps even oceans. Somewhere among these myriad worlds, life may have found a way to exist, to flourish. It is a tantalizing thought that, far beyond our solar system, other beings might be contemplating their own night skies, wondering about the stars, much as we do. This possibility that life is not confined to our single planet transforms our understanding of the cosmos. It suggests that the universe may be filled with stories yet untold, with civilizations at different stages of development, each shaped by the environment of their home worlds. If we ever make contact with such life, it would be the most profound discovery in human history. It would forever change our perception of ourselves, of our place in the universe. For it would mean that the drive to live, to evolve, to seek understanding, is not unique to Earth but is a common thread woven into the fabric of the cosmos. But even if we find that we are alone, that life on Earth is the only spark in the darkness, it would not diminish the wonder of our existence. On the contrary, it would magnify it. To be the only eyes, the only minds capable of contemplating the universe is an extraordinary responsibility. It would mean that the cosmos has, through the quiet workings of natural laws, brought forth a being that can think, explore, and reflect upon its own origins. We would be the universe's way of gazing upon itself, a fleeting but precious consciousness in the grand expanse of time and space. In this light, our exploration of the cosmos becomes not just a scientific endeavor, but a philosophical one. We are seeking not just knowledge, but perspective. We are striving to understand the forces that have shaped us, the processes that have led from the simple elements born in stars to the complex thoughts that now ponder those very stars. To explore the universe is to engage in a dialogue with the past, to connect with the processes that have given rise to life, consciousness, and the capacity for wonder. And there is so much left to explore. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy continue to elude us, whispering of a universe far stranger than we can currently comprehend. Black holes, those enigmatic regions of spacetime where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, challenge our understanding of physics. They are cosmic maelstrom, yet also the keys to understanding the most fundamental aspects of reality. Somewhere, in the swirling dust and gas of distant galaxies, new stars are being born. In the cold, dark regions of space, planets form from the remnants of exploded stars. It is a cycle that has repeated for billions of years and will continue long after our sun has burned out. The universe is a perpetual act of creation, a dance of birth, death, and rebirth. And we, as conscious beings, are a part of that dance. This understanding fills us with a sense of both humility and empowerment. We are but one small part of the cosmic story, a brief flicker of consciousness in an immense sea of stars. Yet, in our smallness lies a profound strength. For we are capable of asking the big questions, of seeking the deep truths. We are explorers of the infinite, voyagers on a journey that spans both space and time. So, as we continue to gaze upward, to send our probes to the farthest reaches of our solar system, to listen for the faint signals from the stars, we carry with us the dreams and hopes of all who have come before. We are the bearers of a legacy that began with the first living cell on Earth and has grown into the quest for the stars. It is a quest that will not end, for as long as we have the curiosity to ask and the courage to explore, the cosmos will continue to reveal its wonders. The universe is vast, and its mysteries are endless. But in our exploration, in our pursuit of knowledge, we find not just answers to the questions we ask of the cosmos, but a deeper understanding of ourselves. For in every galaxy we observe, in every star we study, in every planet we explore, we see reflections of our own story, the story of life, of consciousness, of a species that looks up at the stars and dreams of what lies beyond. This is our journey, our voyage through the cosmos. And as we sail across the vast sea of space, we carry with us the light of knowledge, the spark of curiosity, and the unshakable belief that the universe, in all its grandeur, has stories yet to tell. We are the universe's storytellers, the explorers of its infinite wonders. And as long as there are stars to light the sky, as long as there are questions to ask, our journey through the cosmos will continue, forever seeking, forever discovering, forever awestruck by the beauty and mystery of the universe. The universe is a cradle of infinite beauty and boundless mystery, an ocean so vast that the mere thought of its expanse humbles the imagination. It has existed for billions of years, and within its ever-expanding boundaries, it has witnessed the birth and death of countless stars, the dance of galaxies, and the emergence of worlds beyond counting. We stand on the shores of this cosmic ocean, our feet firmly planted on the soil of a small planet, our minds reaching out to grasp the limitless sky. To explore the cosmos is to take part in a conversation that began long before we ever existed. It is a dialogue of light and matter, of gravity and time. The stars, those fiery beacons in the night sky, speak to us of the past. Their light, often traveling across thousands, millions, even billions of years, arrives as an echo of a history that we are only just beginning to understand. When we look at the light from a distant galaxy, we are peering into a window of the universe's ancient past. We see it not as it is, but as it was, a testament to the nature of light and the immense scales of time and distance that govern the cosmos. These vast distances and timescales stretch the limits of human comprehension. It is hard to fathom that the stars we see tonight are, in many cases, remnants of a universe that existed long before the Earth was formed. Some of those stars have died, exploded in spectacular supernovae, scattering their elements into the cosmos. And yet, their light continues to travel through space, a reminder that in the universe, nothing truly disappears, it only changes form, continues its journey. And what a journey it is! From the simplest atoms formed in the first few minutes of the universe to the complex molecules that would later give rise to life, the cosmos has been a vast laboratory of creation. In every star's life cycle, from birth in swirling nebulae to death in violent supernovae or serene fades into white dwarfs, the universe transforms itself. The very carbon in our cells, the oxygen we breathe, the calcium in our bones, all these elements were forged in stars, through nuclear fusion that took place millions, even billions of years ago. We are connected to these processes, these cosmic events, not as mere observers but as products of the same fundamental forces that shape the stars. This connection is profound. It means that when we look up at the night sky, we are not just seeing points of light, we are witnessing our own heritage. We are gazing upon the places where the elements of life were born. It is a humbling thought that the universe, in its vastness and complexity, could give rise to beings capable of reflecting upon its nature. We are stardust with a mind, with the ability to ponder the cosmos from which we came. Yet, for all our knowledge and technological prowess, the cosmos remains filled with mysteries. Dark matter, that unseen mass which binds galaxies together, and dark energy, the force driving the universe's expansion, elude our understanding. Black holes, with their infinite density and gravitational pull, stretch the fabric of space and time to its breaking point. What lies beyond the event horizon? What happens in the singularity where the known laws of physics cease to apply? These questions challenge our grasp of reality and hint at the deeper truths waiting to be uncovered. Beyond the scientific inquiries lies a more philosophical quest, the search for our place in the universe. Are we alone? Is Earth a solitary cradle of life in a vast, indifferent cosmos, or is life a natural consequence of the universe's unfolding? As we discover exoplanets around distant stars, many of them residing in habitable zones where liquid water could exist, we begin to see that our solar system might not be unique. The ingredients for life, water, organic molecules, energy, appear to be common. Yet, the leap from chemistry to biology, from molecules to consciousness, is a profound one. If we ever find evidence of life elsewhere, a single microbe on Mars, fossils deep beneath the ice of Europa, or signals from a distant civilization, it would be a revelation that would change humanity forever. It would mean that life is not a mere accident confined to one small world, but a cosmic phenomenon. It would suggest that wherever conditions are right, life finds a way to emerge, adapt, and perhaps even wonder at the universe. But what if we are alone? What if Earth is the sole cradle of life in an otherwise lifeless expanse? The implications are equally staggering. It would mean that every living thing on this planet, every tree, every animal, every human, is part of an exceedingly rare experiment in the universe's grand laboratory. It would place an even greater weight on our shoulders, for if we are the only consciousness the cosmos has produced, then the loss of life on Earth would be a tragedy of cosmic proportions. We would be the universe's only storytellers, the soul keepers of wonder, and the bearers of a responsibility to preserve and cherish this fragile oasis. In exploring the cosmos, we are, in a sense, exploring ourselves. For the universe is not separate from us, it is within us, in the atoms that compose our bodies, in the thoughts that cross our minds. We are the product of billions of years of cosmic evolution, a brief but magnificent moment in the history of the universe. And as we reach out to understand the stars, we are also reaching inward, seeking to understand our own nature, our origins, our destiny. The cosmos invites us to explore, to dream, to ask the questions that push the boundaries of our knowledge. It beckons with the promise of discovery, not just of distant worlds and new forms of life, but of our own potential. For in our quest to understand the universe, we are embarking on the most profound journey of all, the journey to understand what it means to be alive, to be conscious, to be a part of something far greater than ourselves. And so, as we continue to sail across the cosmic ocean, let us do so with a sense of humility and wonder. Let us cherish the delicate balance that allows life to exist on this pale blue dot. Let us explore, not out of a desire for conquest, but out of a deep reverence for the mystery that surrounds us. For in exploring the universe, we are not just searching for knowledge, we are searching for ourselves, for our place in the infinite tapestry of existence. The cosmos is vast and its mysteries deep, but in our small corner, with our curiosity and courage, we become a part of its story. As long as there are stars to guide us, as long as there is light in the sky and dreams in our hearts, the journey will continue. And that, perhaps, is the greatest gift the universe has given us, the opportunity to wonder, to explore, and to be a fleeting yet integral part of the infinite. The cosmos is a grand tapestry, woven from the finest threads of space, time, and matter. Each star, each planet, each drifting nebula adds a unique stroke to this infinite canvas. And here we are, tiny yet capable of immense curiosity, standing on a world that seems so small against the backdrop of the universe's grandeur. But this smallness is not a source of insignificance, rather, it is a reminder of the profound miracle of our existence. We are a part of this cosmic story, composed of elements forged in stars, brought together through the quiet workings of natural laws. It is easy to lose oneself in the sheer vastness of the universe. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, is home to hundreds of billions of stars, and our instruments tell us that there are hundreds of billions of galaxies beyond our own, each swirling with countless suns in potentially habitable worlds. Yet, within this immensity lies an elegance, a pattern that speaks of order amid chaos. Galaxies spin, stars orbit in precise paths, and planets trace elegant arcs around their suns. This order is governed by forces that we are only beginning to fully understand: gravity, electromagnetism, the nuclear forces within atoms, all working together in a cosmic symphony that has played for billions of years. In the heart of this symphony, stars live out their lives, burning with a fierce brilliance that can last for eons. As they age, they produce heavier elements in their cores, elements that are essential for life as we know it. And when they finally exhaust their fuel, they do not simply fade away. Some stars end in a glorious explosion, a supernova that scatters their enriched guts into the cosmos, leaving behind the raw materials for new stars, new planets, and the possibility of new life. Others collapse into the enigmatic darkness of black holes, warping the very fabric of space and time. These processes, both creative and destructive, are a reminder of the universe's ceaseless activity. It is a place of change, where matter is constantly recycled and transformed. Nebulae form from the remnants of exploded stars, giving birth to new suns and planetary systems. This cycle of death and rebirth is the engine of cosmic evolution, a process that, over billions of years, has led to the formation of galaxies, solar systems, and ultimately, to the emergence of life on at least one small, rocky planet orbiting a modest star. We are the products of this ancient cycle. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, the carbon in our cells, all were forged in the hearts of long-dead stars. This cosmic lineage connects us to the universe in a fundamental way. We are not merely inhabitants of the Earth, we are expressions of the cosmos, made of the very elements that make up stars, planets, and galaxies. In this sense, the universe is within us, and our drive to explore it is a natural extension of our origins. And explore we do. From our vantage point on Earth, we have built machines that can peer deep into space, capturing the faint light from galaxies billions of light years away. We have sent spacecraft to the edges of our solar system, to Mars, to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. With each mission, we learn a bit more about the nature of the cosmos and, by extension, about ourselves. For in the search for other worlds, in the quest to understand the forces that shape the universe, we are seeking to understand our place within it. This journey is not just a scientific pursuit, it is an existential one. It raises questions about life, consciousness, and the nature of reality itself. Are we alone in the universe, or are there other beings, on other worlds, contemplating their own existence as they look up at their skies? If life is common, if the universe is teeming with diverse forms of consciousness, then our understanding of life's place in the cosmos will be forever changed. We will become part of a grander community, connected not just by the shared heritage of stardust, but by the shared experience of existing in this universe. But if, after all our searching, we find that life is exceedingly rare, that we are, in fact, alone, this realization would bring with it a solemn responsibility. It would mean that Earth is the only cradle of life in the vast ocean of space. In that solitude, we would become the caretakers of consciousness, the only minds capable of reflecting on the cosmos, of experiencing joy, love, curiosity, and wonder. The fragility of our world, of life itself, would take on an even deeper significance. To lose life on Earth would be to lose the universe's ability to know itself, to extinguish the only flame of consciousness in the darkness. This is why our exploration of space, our study of the cosmos, is more than a pursuit of knowledge. It is an affirmation of life. It is a statement that, against all odds, we have emerged from the cosmic dance as beings capable of thought, capable of dreaming about the stars. And in doing so, we give meaning to the universe, for we are the universe becoming aware of itself. The journey, however, is far from over. There are still mysteries to uncover, questions to answer. What is dark matter, that invisible substance that holds galaxies together? What is dark energy, the force that drives the universe's accelerating expansion? What happens at the event horizon of a black hole, where the known laws of physics break down? These questions beckon to us from the edge of our understanding, urging us to look deeper, to explore further. But as we venture into the unknown, let us also remember to look back at our own world. For it is here, on this pale blue dot, that we have learned to love, to dream, to seek knowledge. Earth is our cradle, the place where the universe has, for a moment in time, become conscious. In our pursuit of the stars, we must also cherish this world, protect its fragile ecosystems, and ensure that the flame of life continues to burn brightly. The cosmos is vast, its mysteries endless. But within its vastness, there is room for love, for wonder, for exploration. We are but a brief flicker in the grand symphony of the universe, yet in that flicker, there lies a profound beauty. For as long as we continue to ask questions, to seek answers, to dream of what lies beyond the horizon, we are fulfilling our role as the universe's explorers, its storytellers. In the end, the cosmos is not a cold, indifferent void. It is a place of potential, of wonder, of infinite possibilities. And we, the children of the stars, are a part of this magnificent story. As long as there are stars to guide us, as long as the light of curiosity burns within us, our journey will continue, forever reaching, forever exploring, forever a part of the grand cosmic tapestry. This is the gift of the cosmos, the chance to be, to explore, to wonder. And that, in all its fleeting glory, is the most profound adventure we could ever undertake. The cosmos calls to us, not with the blare of trumpets, but with the quiet whispers of the stars, the gentle tug of gravity, the faint echoes of light traveling across eons. It beckons us to step beyond our world, to venture into the depths of space, to explore the vastness that has shaped our existence. We are drawn to the stars not merely out of curiosity, but because they hold a mirror to our own nature. They are beacons of the infinite, reminding us of how small we are, yet how precious. In the grand scheme of things, our home, the Earth, is but a tiny speck in a vast and ancient universe. The light of our sun, which illuminates our days and fuels the life on our planet, is a mere flicker in the cosmic night, one of hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone. Yet, it is on this small world that the universe has, for a brief moment, become conscious. Here, on this pale blue dot, life has flourished, evolved, and gained the capacity to reflect upon the stars from which it came. When we gaze upward, we are looking into a universe that is far older and more complex than we can fully grasp. The light from distant galaxies tells us of events that occurred long before our planet even existed. We see stars forming in dense clouds of gas, we witness supernovae scattering the elements into space, and we observe galaxies spiraling gracefully in the cosmic void. Each of these phenomena is part of a cosmic dance, a sequence of events that began with the Big Bang and continues to unfold across the fabric of spacetime. It is astonishing to think that we can understand any of this. With our telescopes and spacecraft, we have extended our senses far beyond what nature provided. We have learned to detect the faintest whispers of radio waves from distant stars, to analyze the light of galaxies billions of light-years away, and to probe the surface of planets in our solar system. Through these explorations, we have pieced together a narrative of cosmic evolution, a story that stretches back nearly 14 billion years. And yet, for all our knowledge, the universe remains a place of profound mystery. Dark matter and dark energy, which together make up most of the cosmos, elude our understanding. We cannot see them directly, but we observe their effects. Dark matter holds galaxies together, while dark energy drives the accelerated expansion of the universe. What are these strange substances? Are they remnants of an earlier universe, or clues to a deeper reality beyond our current theories? These are questions that push the boundaries of our imagination, reminding us that, for all our achievements, we have only begun to explore the infinite depths of existence. The universe also confronts us with another profound question: are we alone? In our search for exoplanets, we have discovered worlds of staggering diversity: gas giants, rocky planets, and icy moons orbiting distant stars. Some of these worlds reside in the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might allow for liquid water and, perhaps, life. But whether life has actually taken root elsewhere is a mystery that we have yet to unravel. The search for extraterrestrial life is more than a quest for other beings, it is a quest to understand the conditions that make life possible, to grasp the processes that transform simple molecules into the complexity of living systems. If we find life beyond Earth, it will be a revelation. It will tell us that the universe is fertile, that the drive for life is woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. And if that life is intelligent, it will raise even more profound questions. What kind of beings might they be? How would they perceive the universe? What stories would they have to tell? In discovering them, we would become part of a grander narrative, a cosmic community bound not by proximity, but by the shared experience of existing in this vast universe. But suppose, for a moment, that we are truly alone, that life on Earth is the only instance of consciousness in the cosmic ocean. In that case, our existence becomes even more extraordinary. We are the universe's sole attempt to understand itself, to reflect upon its beauty and its mysteries. In our thoughts, our dreams, our sciences, the cosmos finds a way to know itself, to ponder its origins and its fate. The solitude of our condition would make our responsibility all the greater, for we would be the caretakers of consciousness, the stewards of life's fragile flame in a universe of endless darkness. This awareness brings with it both a profound humility and an immense courage. We are fragile beings, living on a planet that circles an ordinary star in an unremarkable galaxy. Yet, from this modest vantage point, we have reached out to touch the moon, to send our machines to distant worlds, to listen for signals from across the stars. Our exploration of the cosmos is an expression of the very nature of life, to reach beyond what is known, to seek out new possibilities, to understand. And in doing so, we also learn to cherish our own world. The Earth, with its blue oceans, green forests, and teeming diversity of life, is a rare oasis in the vast desert of space. It is the cradle of our species, the place where we have laughed, loved, and dreamed. As we explore the universe, we must not lose sight of the preciousness of our own planet. For it is here that life, in all its forms, has found a way to thrive, to carve out a niche in an otherwise inhospitable universe. The cosmos, in its vastness, may seem indifferent to our fate. But it is within this very indifference that we find our strength. We are not destined to a predetermined path, we are free to explore, to learn, to shape our future. We are the storytellers of the universe, the ones who give it meaning through our observations, our thoughts, and our dreams. So, we continue our journey. We build ever more powerful telescopes to peer deeper into the past, to see the light of the first stars. We send probes to the icy moons of our solar system, searching for signs of life in hidden oceans. We listen for signals from distant civilizations, hoping to hear the faint whispers of other minds contemplating the universe. Each step we take, each discovery we make, is part of a larger story, one that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. In this grand story, we are but a chapter, a fleeting moment in the cosmic saga. But what a moment it is! For in our brief time, we have become aware of the stars, of the galaxies, of the deep currents that shape the universe. We have learned to ask questions that transcend our everyday concerns, to seek truths that lie beyond the horizon of our understanding. The cosmos is vast, its mysteries endless. But in exploring it, we find not just the secrets of distant stars and galaxies, we find ourselves. We find the essence of what it means to be alive, to be conscious, to be a part of something greater than ourselves. In the end, the cosmos is not a place we visit, it is a part of who we are. So let us continue to explore, to dream, to seek. For as long as there are stars to guide us, as long as the light of curiosity burns within us, we are the universe reaching out to understand itself. And in that reach, in that quest for knowledge and meaning, lies the true beauty of the cosmos. This is our journey, our voyage through the infinite. It is a journey that has no end, for each discovery opens up new questions, new horizons to explore. And that, in its own way, is the greatest adventure of all, the endless pursuit of the stars, the eternal quest to know the cosmos and, in turn, to know ourselves. The cosmos envelopes us with its profound stillness and unimaginable scale. Its vastness stretches beyond the horizons of thought, beyond the reach of light. It is both our birthplace and our final frontier. In every direction, stars shine in the depths of the night, whispering secrets of time, distance, and origin. As we look out into the universe, we are not merely searching the skies, we are reaching back through time itself, toward the origins of all things. Each star is a story, each planet a mystery, each galaxy a chapter in the grand cosmic narrative. The light that reaches us from distant stars carries with it tales of stellar births and deaths, of galaxies forming and colliding, of the universe expanding and cooling over billions of years. We are witnesses to these events, observers perched on a small, rocky world circling an unremarkable star. Yet, in our ability to observe, to question, to seek meaning, we become more than mere spectators. We become participants in the cosmic story. This story is one of unceasing change. Stars are born in swirling clouds of gas and dust, igniting in nuclear fusion that will sustain them for millions or billions of years. Around them, planets coalesce, moons form, and sometimes, under just the right conditions, life emerges. It is a cycle of creation and transformation, one that has played out countless times across the universe. And within this cycle, on one particular planet orbiting an ordinary star, life has evolved to the point of consciousness, to the ability to reflect upon the cosmos that made it possible. It is a stunning realization, we are not just observers of the universe, we are products of it. The atoms in our bodies, the molecules in our cells, the very air we breathe, all were forged in the crucibles of ancient stars. We are stardust, organized in a way that allows us to think, to feel, to dream. This connection binds us to the universe in a way that is both humbling and inspiring. When we look up at the night sky, we are not looking at something distant and separate, we are gazing into our own origins. Yet, the universe is not merely our past, it is also our future. As we explore the cosmos, we are not just seeking knowledge for knowledge's sake. We are looking for clues about where we are headed, about the fate that awaits our world, our species, and life itself. What will happen when our sun exhausts its fuel and expands into a red giant? What lies beyond the event horizon of a black hole, where space and time bend into incomprehensible shapes? What will become of the universe as it continues to expand, as galaxies drift further apart, and stars burn out? These questions drive us to explore, to push the boundaries of our understanding. We build telescopes that can peer into the earliest moments of the universe, spacecraft that can traverse the vast distances of our solar system, and detectors that listen for the faint signals from other stars. In doing so, we seek not just to learn about the cosmos, but to find our place within it. And what of life elsewhere? The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most profound endeavors we have undertaken. For if life exists beyond Earth, it would mean that the processes that gave rise to us are not unique to our world. It would suggest that life is a common thread woven into the fabric of the universe, that wherever conditions are right, the potential for life emerges. Somewhere, perhaps, on a planet orbiting a distant star, life may be contemplating the cosmos, experiencing its own journey of discovery. The discovery of life elsewhere would change everything. It would expand the notion of what it means to be alive, to be conscious. We would no longer see ourselves as a solitary spark of awareness in a vast, indifferent cosmos. We would become part of a larger community, a cosmic brotherhood of life. And yet, even if we find that we are alone, that life on Earth is a singular phenomenon, the knowledge does not diminish our significance. In fact, it would make our existence all the more extraordinary. It would mean that in all the vastness of space and time, the universe has produced a moment of reflection, a brief flicker of awareness capable of marveling at its own beauty. This is why our exploration of the cosmos is so vital. It is not just about finding answers, it is about embracing the mystery, about recognizing the gift of consciousness, however fleeting it might be. For we live in a universe that is constantly changing, constantly evolving. Stars live and die, galaxies collide and merge, and through it all, the laws of physics continue to shape the grand structure of reality. We, too, are part of this unfolding story, a chapter in the ongoing saga of cosmic evolution. But with this understanding comes a responsibility. If we are, indeed, the universe's only conscious observers, then we have a duty to protect this fragile world that gave us life. Earth is our cradle, our sanctuary in the vastness of space. It is the place where the cosmos has, for a brief time, become aware of itself. To harm our planet, to extinguish the diversity of life upon it, would be to diminish the universe's ability to know itself. The cosmos is filled with beauty and wonder, but it is also indifferent. It does not guarantee our survival or our success. It offers us the tools of knowledge, the capacity for reason, the power of imagination, and leaves the rest to us. We must choose how we will use these gifts, how we will shape our future in the face of an indifferent yet infinitely fascinating universe. So, as we continue to reach for the stars, let us do so with both curiosity and care. Let us explore not out of a desire for conquest, but out of a sense of kinship with the cosmos, a recognition that we are a part of something far greater than ourselves. For in the end, the journey is not just about the places we visit, the discoveries we make. It is about the act of seeking, of striving to understand the universe and our place within it. The stars will continue to shine long after we are gone. Galaxies will keep spinning, new worlds will form, and the universe will march forward in its endless cycle of creation and change. But in this brief moment, on this small planet, we have the privilege of looking up at the cosmos, of contemplating its mysteries, of dreaming of what might be. And that, in all its fragility and beauty, is what makes our journey so remarkable. For as long as we carry the light of curiosity, the desire to explore, the courage to dream, the universe will have a voice that speaks of wonder, of discovery, of the endless possibilities of existence. In that voice, in that journey, we find not just the cosmos, but the very essence of what it means to be human. So let us continue, voyagers on an infinite sea, guided by the stars and driven by the eternal quest for knowledge. The cosmos awaits, vast and silent, a realm of endless stories yet to be told. And in our exploration, in our pursuit of understanding, we become the storytellers of the universe, the bearers of its infinite potential. This is our legacy, to wonder, to explore, to seek. For in the end, the greatest discovery is not just in finding new worlds, but in realizing that we, too, are part of this grand, cosmic tapestry woven into the fabric of the universe, our lives but fleeting yet profound moments in the endless dance of existence. The cosmos stretches out before us, a boundless expanse teeming with mysteries, its depths echoing with the faint whispers of creation. In every direction, the night sky reveals a tapestry of stars and galaxies, each a luminous island in the great ocean of space. As we stand on our small, rocky world, we are confronted by an overwhelming reality: the universe is vast, ancient, and filled with wonders that far surpass our limited grasp. And yet, it is within this vastness that we find our sense of purpose. The stars, those distant beacons of light, are not just random points scattered across a black canvas. They are the furnaces of life, the places where matter is transformed, where elements are forged and released into the cosmic cauldron. For billions of years, stars have been living and dying, scattering their enriched elements into space, creating the raw materials for planets, oceans, and life itself. We owe our very existence to these stellar processes. In their fiery crucibles, the universe has written the recipe for life. Every cell in our bodies, every breath we take, is a testament to this cosmic alchemy. Yet the stars do more than shape the matter that makes us, they challenge us to think beyond the boundaries of our everyday experience. When we gaze into the night sky, we are not just looking out into space, we are looking back in time. The light from distant stars has traveled for thousands, millions, even billions of years to reach us. In every photon that strikes our eyes, we are seeing a slice of the universe's history, a glimpse into events that occurred long before the Earth took shape. It is a humbling realization. The universe is ancient, far older than we can easily comprehend. Our human history is but the briefest flicker in the vast expanse of cosmic time. Civilizations have risen and fallen, continents have drifted, species have come and gone, all within the blink of a cosmic eye. And yet, here we are, tiny creatures with the audacity to wonder about the stars, to question our origins, and to seek our place in the grand scheme of things. This quest to understand the cosmos is one of humanity's noblest endeavors. Through the lenses of our telescopes, we have seen the birth of stars in distant nebulae, watched the majestic dance of galaxies, and glimpsed the faint glow of the universe's beginning in the cosmic microwave background. We have landed probes on distant worlds, sent robots to explore alien terrains, and even ventured ourselves beyond the thin veil of our atmosphere. In these explorations, we are not just learning about the universe, we are learning about ourselves. We are discovering the forces that govern our existence, the processes that have shaped our world, and the possibilities that lie beyond our horizon. But the universe, in all its splendor, also guards its secrets well. It teases us with puzzles that stretch the limits of our understanding. What is dark matter, that invisible substance that binds galaxies together? What is dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerating expansion? How do black holes bend the fabric of spacetime, swallowing everything that comes near, yet radiating energy in ways we are only beginning to comprehend? These questions are more than just scientific curiosities, they are keys to a deeper reality, clues to a universe far more complex and wondrous than we can currently imagine. And then there is the question of life. In our exploration of the cosmos, we have discovered thousands of exoplanets orbiting distant stars, some residing in the habitable zones where liquid water could exist. We have found organic molecules in the interstellar medium and on the surfaces of comets, suggesting that the building blocks of life are scattered throughout the galaxy. Yet, despite our searches, we have found no definitive evidence of life beyond Earth. This silence from the stars, the so-called Fermi paradox, raises profound questions. Is life a common occurrence in the universe, or is it exceedingly rare? Are we the first, the only beings to ask these questions, or are there others out there, looking back at us across the void? The possibility of other life forms, especially intelligent ones, stirs the imagination. What might they be like? How would they communicate, think, dream? Would they share our curiosity about the universe, our drive to explore, to understand? If we were ever to make contact, it would be the most profound moment in human history, a moment that would forever alter our perspective on life, consciousness, and the universe itself. But even if we are alone, if Earth is the only world where life has found a foothold, this does not diminish the significance of our existence. In fact, it makes our responsibility all the more immense. For we would then be the bearers of a singular consciousness in the cosmic void, the keepers of a flame of awareness that shines brightly against the backdrop of a largely indifferent universe. It would fall to us to cherish life in all its forms, to protect the fragile ecosystems of our world, to explore the cosmos with both wonder and humility. Our search for understanding is not just a quest for knowledge, it is a search for meaning. For in understanding the universe, we come to understand ourselves. The laws of physics that govern the motion of stars and galaxies are the same laws that govern the atoms in our bodies. The processes that give birth to stars are the same processes that give birth to life. We are a part of this universe, an expression of its ongoing evolution, a momentary flash of awareness that has the power to reflect upon the whole. This is our legacy, to look up at the stars, to dream of what lies beyond, to explore not out of conquest but out of a deep, abiding reverence for the cosmos. For every discovery we make, every mystery we unravel, adds to the collective story of humanity, a story that began with the first glimmers of consciousness and now reaches out to the farthest corners of the universe. And so, we continue our journey. We build new instruments to explore the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. We send probes to the icy moons of the outer planets, searching for signs of life in hidden oceans. We scan the skies for the faint signals of other civilizations, hoping to find a voice in the darkness. Each step we take, each question we ask, is part of an unfolding adventure, a voyage that carries us ever deeper into the heart of existence. The universe is vast, its mysteries endless. But in our pursuit of knowledge, in our exploration of the stars, we find a reflection of our own nature. For to seek, to explore, to wonder, these are the hallmarks of what it means to be human. In our brief flicker of existence, we have become the universe's storytellers, the carriers of its dreams and the seekers of its truths. The cosmos does not promise us answers, nor does it guarantee our survival. But it gives us the gift of curiosity, the power to question, the drive to explore. And in this, we find our place in the universe. We are not just inhabitants of a small planet circling a star, we are voyagers on a timeless journey, participants in the grand, ongoing story of the cosmos. As long as there are stars to guide us, as long as there are mysteries to explore, our voyage will continue. And that, in its quiet, profound beauty, is the true gift of the universe, the endless invitation to seek, to discover, to know. For in the end, the cosmos is not just a place we explore, it is the ultimate expression of our longing to understand, to find our place in the infinite, and to marvel at the vastness from which we came. This is our adventure, the journey into the unknown, the exploration of the infinite. It is a journey that has no end, for with every discovery, every new understanding, the universe reveals yet more layers of wonder. And so, we sail onward, voyagers of the stars, forever captivated by the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. The cosmos is a grand, unending expanse, one that humbles and inspires us with every new revelation. As we peer into its depths, we confront the reality that we are but tiny, fleeting sparks in a universe of infinite complexity. Our planet is a mere speck of dust suspended in the vast cosmic arena, circling a star among billions. Yet, it is from this minuscule vantage point that we dare to ask the most profound questions, to search for the secrets that the universe holds. In the silence of space, we find a kind of cosmic stillness, a stillness that belies the incredible activity taking place across the universe. Stars ignite in dense clouds of gas, galaxies swirl in a ballet of gravitational forces, black holes warp the very fabric of spacetime. Each phenomenon, each event, is a part of the grand tapestry of existence. And somehow, in this seemingly indifferent universe, life has found a way to emerge. Not just simple life, but life capable of thought, of wonder, of asking, why are we here? What is the nature of the universe? Are we alone? It is this capacity for wonder that sets us apart. We have evolved on a planet that, by cosmic standards, is an oasis. Here, water flows, plants flourish, and the atmosphere shields us from the harshness of space. In this cradle, life has evolved into myriad forms, culminating in beings who can reflect on their surroundings and look beyond their world. The human species, in its brief moment of existence, has achieved something extraordinary, the ability to explore not just the Earth, but the universe that lies beyond it. With each discovery, our perspective expands. We have learned that the universe is not static but dynamic, an ever-changing cosmos where stars are born and die, galaxies collide and merge, and the very fabric of space stretches and bends. We have glimpsed the earliest moments of the cosmos in the faint glow of the cosmic microwave background, seen stars and planets forming in the swirling clouds of nebulae, and watched as distant galaxies drift away, propelled by the mysterious force we call dark energy. Dark energy and dark matter, the unseen forces that shape the universe, remain some of the greatest enigmas of our time. We cannot see them directly, yet we feel their presence in the way galaxies move, in the way light bends around massive objects, in the expansion of the cosmos itself. These mysteries remind us that our understanding, though vast, is still limited. The universe is more complex, more wondrous than we have yet imagined. And it is this very mystery that drives us to explore, to push the boundaries of our knowledge, to reach further into the darkness. But while the universe presents us with grand, cosmic questions, it also raises deeply personal ones. What does it mean to exist in a universe so vast, so ancient? If life exists elsewhere, what would that mean for our understanding of life on Earth? And if, in our exploration, we find that we are truly alone, how should we respond to the knowledge that we are the universe's only voice, the sole bearers of consciousness in the great expanse of space? These questions are not easily answered, but they are the ones that give our journey its meaning. The search for life elsewhere is, in many ways, a search for connection. We look to the stars, to the planets orbiting distant suns, hoping to find evidence that we are not alone, that life, in some form, has emerged elsewhere in the universe. And in finding that life, we would gain not just knowledge, but a sense of kinship with the cosmos. Yet, even if we discover that Earth is unique, that life has not arisen anywhere else, our quest would not be in vain. For it would mean that the universe, in all its vastness, has produced something exceedingly rare, a world where matter has organized itself into conscious beings capable of exploring, understanding, and reflecting upon the cosmos. It would mean that life, in all its complexity and beauty, is a phenomenon that deserves our utmost care, our deepest respect. Earth, our fragile home, is a sanctuary in the darkness of space. It is here that we have learned to dream, to love, to seek answers to the mysteries that surround us. Our planet is not merely a place we inhabit, it is the cradle of our consciousness, the birthplace of our stories, our cultures, our hopes for the future. As we explore the cosmos, we must carry with us the knowledge that this small world is all we have, at least for now. It is a treasure, a rarity, a garden of life amid a universe that is largely cold and barren. Our exploration of space, our search for other worlds, is an affirmation of life. We build telescopes that can gaze across the universe, capturing the light from stars and galaxies that have existed since the dawn of time. We send probes to the outer reaches of our solar system, seeking to understand the origins and evolution of planets and moons. We listen for signals from distant civilizations, hoping to find a kindred consciousness among the stars. In all these endeavors, we are guided by the same fundamental drive that has shaped our species, the desire to know, to understand, to find our place in the cosmos. As we voyage outward, we also look inward. For the cosmos is not something separate from us, it is within us. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, the energy that powers our cells comes from the light of our sun, and the thoughts that cross our minds are a product of the same physical laws that govern the galaxies. In understanding the universe, we are, in a very real sense, understanding ourselves. This realization fills us with both humility and hope. We are small in the grand scheme of things, our lives but fleeting moments in the cosmic timeline. Yet, in our smallness lies a profound potential. We have the power to explore, to learn, to connect with the universe in ways that transcend the limitations of our physical existence. We are, in a way, the universe's consciousness, a part of the cosmos that has become aware of itself. So, let us continue our journey with both wonder and care. Let us explore not just for the sake of knowledge, but for the joy of discovery, for the thrill of finding beauty in the unknown. The stars will continue to shine long after we are gone, but in this moment, in this brief flicker of time, we have the chance to explore, to learn, to be a part of something far greater than ourselves. The cosmos invites us to reach, to dream, to imagine. It is a journey without end, a voyage across the infinite sea of stars. As we sail forward, we carry with us the hopes, the questions, the light of all who have come before. And in that journey, we find not just the universe's mysteries, but the very essence of what it means to be human. For in the end, the cosmos is not just a place to be explored. It is a source of inspiration, a reminder that we are a part of a grand, unfolding story, one that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. Our task, our joy, is to be a part of that story, to add our chapter to the book of the universe. And that, in all its vastness and beauty, is the true gift of the cosmos, the chance to wonder, to explore, to be. This is our legacy. As long as there are stars in the sky and questions in our hearts, our journey will continue. We are voyagers of the stars, seekers of the infinite, bearers of the light that the universe has kindled within us. And as we sail forward into the unknown, we carry with us the hope that in exploring the cosmos, we might come to better understand ourselves, our world, and our place in the grand, cosmic dance. The cosmos is a boundless theater of time and space, an unfolding drama where every star, every planet, every galaxy plays its part. In the heart of this grand performance, we find ourselves brief actors on a small stage, conscious beings capable of marveling at the vastness around us. Yet, this momentary flicker of awareness is itself extraordinary. For within the confines of our brief existence, we have the unique privilege of contemplating the very fabric of the universe that gave us life. We gaze into the night sky, eyes reaching out to the stars that have burned for billions of years, to galaxies that swirl in distant corners of the universe. Each point of light is a window into the past, a journey backward through time. The stars whisper of their origins, of the hydrogen atoms formed in the fiery crucible of the Big Bang, of their fusion into heavier elements within stellar cores. They remind us that the universe is not static but alive with the processes of creation and destruction, of cycles that forge worlds, life, and ultimately, consciousness. It is easy to feel small when confronted with the vastness of space, to feel insignificant against the backdrop of a universe that stretches beyond the limits of our imagination. And yet, this vastness is precisely what makes our existence so profound. For we are not isolated observers in an indifferent cosmos. We are part of it. The atoms that make up our bodies, the water we drink, the air we breathe, all were born in the nuclear furnaces of ancient stars. We are, in the most literal sense, made of star stuff. This realization binds us to the universe, not as outsiders looking in, but as participants in its grand, ongoing story. Consider the incredible journey that life has taken on our planet. From the simplest of single-celled organisms, life evolved into countless forms, adapting, thriving, and surviving through the eons. It spread across oceans, climbed mountains, and eventually took to the skies. And in one remarkable lineage, life acquired the capacity for thought, for wonder. It learned to look up at the stars and ask, "What are we? Where did we come from?" This capacity for curiosity, for self-reflection, is not an accident, it is an expression of the cosmos itself. For in seeking to understand the universe, we are, in a sense, the universe seeking to understand itself. This journey of exploration is not just about uncovering facts or solving mysteries. It is about connecting with the cosmos on a fundamental level. When we send spacecraft to other planets, when we study the light from distant stars, when we listen for the faintest whispers from the depths of space, we are engaging in a cosmic dialogue. We are asking the universe to reveal its secrets, and in doing so, we are uncovering truths about our own nature, our own origins. As we search the stars for signs of life, we are faced with one of the most profound questions of all: are we alone? The discovery of even the simplest form of life beyond Earth would be transformative. It would mean that life is not a rare fluke confined to our small planet, but a natural outcome of the universe's processes. It would suggest that wherever the conditions are right, where there is water, energy, and a mix of organic molecules, life could arise. And if life can arise elsewhere, then perhaps consciousness, too, is not unique to Earth. Somewhere, across the vast reaches of space, there might be other beings who look up at their sky and wonder, as we do. The thought of encountering other forms of life, especially intelligent ones, fills us with both excitement and humility. What stories would they have to tell? How would they perceive the universe, their existence? Would they have grappled with questions of meaning, of purpose, of their own origins? In contemplating the possibility of other civilizations, we are reminded that our search for connection is not just a search for companionship. It is a search for our place in the universe, a quest to understand whether the drive to explore, to know, is a cosmic phenomenon. Yet, even if we find that we are alone, that life on Earth is the singular consciousness in the vastness of space, this realization carries its own profound significance. For it would mean that in all the infinite expanses of the universe, on this one small world, matter has organized itself into beings capable of thought, of emotion, of love. It would mean that we are the universe's only eyes, its only voice, and that we have a unique responsibility to preserve this precious flame of awareness. To harm our planet, to extinguish the diversity of life it harbors, would be to diminish the cosmos's capacity to experience itself. This is why our exploration of the cosmos is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a philosophical and ethical one. It reminds us of the fragility of life, the delicate balance that allows us to exist in a universe that is largely inhospitable. As we reach out to the stars, we must also turn our gaze inward, to the Earth, our home. For it is here that life has evolved to the point of reflection, and it is here that we have the responsibility to nurture and protect the legacy of the cosmos. The cosmos presents us with endless questions. What is the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the unseen forces that shape the universe? What happens at the event horizon of a black hole, where space and time bend into unimaginable shapes? What lies beyond the observable universe, beyond the limits of our instruments and understanding? Each question is an invitation to explore, to dream, to imagine possibilities that stretch the boundaries of our knowledge. But the journey into the cosmos is not just about seeking answers, it is about embracing the mystery. It is about recognizing that in the vastness of space and time, there are wonders that we may never fully comprehend. And that is precisely what makes the universe so beautiful. For in its endless complexity, it leaves room for the unknown, for the possibility of discovery, for the thrill of exploration. As we continue our voyage, let us carry with us the spirit of curiosity, of humility, and of reverence for the cosmos. Let us explore not out of conquest, but out of a deep sense of belonging to the universe. For we are the result of billions of years of cosmic evolution, the products of stars that lived and died long before we came into being. We are a part of the universe's unfolding story, a brief yet magnificent chapter in the history of existence. And so, we look to the stars, not with fear or arrogance, but with awe and wonder. We seek to understand, not because we expect simple answers, but because the very act of questioning enriches our experience of life. The cosmos is a grand, eternal journey, a voyage through the infinite that has no end. As long as there are stars to guide us and questions to ask, we will continue to explore, to dream, to seek the truth that lies just beyond the horizon. In this journey, we are the universe's storytellers, the bearers of its light, the keepers of its mysteries. We are fleeting, yes, but in our fleeting existence, we have the power to reach for the stars, to delve into the deepest secrets of reality, and to marvel at the beauty of it all. And that, perhaps, is the most profound gift the cosmos has given us, the chance to wonder, to explore, to be a part of something far greater than ourselves. This is our legacy, to be the explorers of the infinite, the seekers of knowledge, the children of the stars. As long as we carry the light of curiosity, as long as we look up at the night sky and dream, our journey will continue. For in exploring the cosmos, we are not just searching for answers, we are finding our place in the vast, magnificent story of existence. The cosmos awaits, silent yet full of possibility. And in its embrace, we find the endless adventure of being, the unending quest to know and to be known. So let us journey forward, voyagers on a sea of stars, forever captivated by the infinite wonders that lie ahead. The cosmos extends far beyond our wildest imaginings, a realm so immense, so intricate, that we can scarcely comprehend its true scale. It is a universe woven from the fabric of time and space, sprinkled with stars, galaxies, and nebulae, all following the silent, immutable laws of physics. Each celestial body, from the fiery heart of a distant star to the icy expanse of a comet streaking through the void, plays a part in the cosmic dance that has unfolded over billions of years. And within this grand spectacle, we find ourselves small, fragile, yet capable of thought, wonder, and awe. We are the beneficiaries of an extraordinary cosmic legacy. From the remnants of ancient stars, from the dust of exploded supernovae, the elements came together to form our solar system, our planet, and, ultimately, life itself. It is an astonishing realization: every atom in our bodies was forged in the heart of stars that lived and died long before the Earth existed. We are, quite literally, stardust brought to life, with the capacity to reflect upon the universe that made us. As we look out into the cosmos, we are confronted with both its beauty and its indifference. The stars shine brilliantly in the night sky, yet they are distant, impassive, existing on timescales that dwarf our entire history. Galaxies drift through the vastness of space, some colliding and merging in slow, graceful dances, others spiraling in quiet solitude. Nebulae stretch across light years, their ethereal forms sculpted by stellar winds and the gravitational pull of unseen forces. It is a universe filled with both chaos and order, with cycles of creation and destruction that have been playing out for billions of years. And here we are, a species that has only just begun to understand the depth of the cosmos. From our tiny corner of the universe, we have built instruments to peer into the most distant galaxies, to capture the light of stars that burned before our solar system was born. We have sent probes to the outer planets, touched the surface of our moon, and listened for the faint signals that might indicate the presence of other civilizations. In our brief moment on this earth, we have stretched our senses across the cosmos, seeking to uncover its secrets, to understand our place within it. This search is more than just a scientific endeavor, it is a profound expression of our humanity. We explore because we are driven by a deep-seated curiosity, an intrinsic desire to understand. We ask questions not just to find answers, but to engage with the mystery that surrounds us. The cosmos, in all its vastness, presents us with questions that challenge the limits of our knowledge. What is the nature of dark matter, that invisible substance that holds galaxies together? What is dark energy, the force accelerating the universe's expansion. What happens within the depths of a black hole, where the known laws of physics break down? And then there is the question of life. We look to the stars and wonder, are we alone? In our search for exoplanets, we have discovered worlds that orbit their stars in the so-called habitable zone, where conditions might allow liquid water and, perhaps, life to exist. We have found organic molecules in the icy moons of the outer solar system and in the clouds of distant star-forming regions. These discoveries hint at the possibility that life might not be an isolated phenomenon, but a natural outcome of the universe's processes, wherever the conditions are right. The idea of other life forms, be they simple microbes on a distant moon or intelligent beings on an exoplanet, profoundly stirs our imagination. What would such beings be like? How would they perceive the universe? What stories, what knowledge, might they share? The potential discovery of extraterrestrial life would be one of the most transformative moments in human history, expanding our understanding of life's place in the cosmos and forever altering our perception of ourselves. But even if, after all our searching, we find that life exists only on Earth, this knowledge would be equally profound. It would mean that in the vast, dark ocean of space, on this one small world, matter has become aware, conscious, capable of exploring and reflecting upon the universe. We would then be the keepers of the universe's only known flame of consciousness, the guardians of life's incredible diversity. This realization would place upon us a tremendous responsibility, to protect and cherish our planet, to preserve the delicate balance that has allowed life to flourish here for billions of years. For Earth is a rare jewel in the cosmic darkness. It is a world where the intricate processes of nature have created forests, oceans, mountains, and skies filled with life. In the universe, where most worlds are barren and lifeless, our planet is a precious oasis. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the warmth of the sun on our skin, all these are gifts of a world that sustains us. As we explore the stars, we must remember to care for this pale blue, our only home. Our journey into the cosmos is, in essence, a journey of self-discovery. In seeking to understand the stars, the galaxies, the fundamental forces that shape reality, we are also seeking to understand ourselves. For we are part of the universe, its story is our story. The laws of physics that govern the motion of galaxies also govern the chemistry of life, the workings of our minds, the rhythm of our hearts. In exploring the cosmos, we come face to face with our own origins, our own potential. And in this exploration, we find something even more profound, a sense of wonder. The universe is not a mere collection of stars and planets, it is a source of endless mystery and beauty. It invites us to explore, to ask questions, to imagine what might be. It teaches us humility, reminding us of the fragility and brevity of our existence in a cosmos that will continue to evolve long after we are gone. Yet, it also inspires us, fills us with hope, and stirs within us the unshakable belief that there is always more to learn, more to discover. This is the true gift of the cosmos, the chance to be part of something far greater than ourselves, to play a role in the ongoing story of the universe. We are the explorers of the infinite, the seekers of truth, the bearers of curiosity and awe. As we venture into the unknown, we carry with us the dreams of all who have ever looked up at the night sky and wondered. And so, we continue our journey. We build new telescopes to peer into the earliest moments of the universe, to map the dark matter that shapes galaxies, to search for the faint signals of other civilizations. We send probes to distant worlds, hoping to uncover the secrets of life's origins and evolution. We listen for the whispers of the cosmos, knowing that in its vast silence lies the potential for discovery, for connection. The cosmos is an endless sea, and we are its voyagers. As long as there are stars to guide us, as long as there are questions in our hearts, our journey will continue. For in exploring the universe, we are not just seeking to uncover its mysteries, we are fulfilling the deepest aspects of our nature. We are the storytellers of the cosmos, the consciousness through which the universe reflects upon itself. And that, perhaps, is the most beautiful aspect of our existence. In the face of a universe that is vast, ancient, and indifferent, we find meaning through our curiosity, our exploration, our ability to ask the big questions. We are, in a sense, the universe's way of knowing itself, a brief, yet magnificent flash of awareness in the cosmic dance. As we sail across the vast ocean of space, let us do so with humility, wonder, and reverence. For the cosmos, in all its grandeur, is not just a place we inhabit, it is a part of us. And as long as we continue to seek, to dream, to explore, we are fulfilling the destiny of stardust made conscious. This is our adventure, our legacy, to be the seekers of the infinite, the children of the stars, the ones who look up and dare to ask, what more is out there? The journey has only just begun, and it is a journey without end. The universe awaits, filled with mysteries and wonders beyond our current grasp. And in exploring it, we will not only discover more about the cosmos, but also about the essence of what it means to be alive, to be human, to be part of the infinite. Subscribe to Cosmos, join us on an extraordinary journey through the stars. If you're fascinated by the wonders of space and want to explore the mysteries of the universe, subscribe to Cosmos for captivating content on astronomy, astrophysics, and the beauty of the cosmos. Let's explore the infinite together.